We'll figure it out. All right, on cards. Leaf Valiant Football Draft. Great product this year by Leaf. Brian Gray did an awesome job with this one. It'll be one of the colorful ones that you'll like. Or the redemption. Because if we hit a redemption, you got to take that card. Alright, here we go. Zach Dysert. Tony Jefferson. Here's the stars. Kobe Hamilton Stars. Number 225. Kobe Hamilton. And then here's another stars. Monty Ball, number to 15. That's a pretty sharp looking card. And then an honor guard. Robert Woods, number to 25. I think we got 3 good picks right off the bat on this one. There is your break of Leaf Valiant Football.